Today we have a step called the Waltz Clog, and it just has 3 separate steps: a step, a shuffle, and a ball change. And if you want to practice a shuffle or a shuffle ball change nice and slow, I have a couple other videos for that. So I'm going to set them down in the description below. You can click those links if you want to go back and review those steps. But if you're ready, let's try the Waltz Clog. So you're going to start stepping on your right foot. When we get faster, we're going to try and keep that heel up, but for now, since we're just learning the steps, you can go ahead and let the heel drop if you want to. So we're going to step on the right foot. We're going to shuffle on our left foot. A shuffle is 2 brushes away and then back. So we're going to do a shuffle and then a ball change. Left, right. Ball change is just 2 steps that switch of that weight. So again, it's a step, a shuffle, and a ball change. 2 steps. So again, it goes like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, shuffle, ball change. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. Step, shuffle, step, step. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. Step, shuffle, ball change. Nice. So as we get faster, we're not so worried about our balance. That's when we want to start elevating those heels up so that we don't hear them and so that we can move a little faster just up on the balls of our feet. Okay. A couple more times on the right and then we'll switch it over. A step, a shuffle, and a ball change equals a waltz clog. Here we go. 5, 6, step, shuffle. Step, shuffle, ball change. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. Yeah. On the left side, nice and slow, it's going to start with a step. So we're going to go. Step, shuffle, 2 brushes, and a ball change. Ball change. 2 steps. Again. Stepping on the left. Step, brush, brush, ball change. Again. We go. Step, brush, brush, step, step. Yeah? Again. 5, 6, step on your left. Go. Step, shuffle, ball change. 5, 6, step on your left. Step, shuffle, ball change. Nice. 5, 6, step on your left. 1 more time. Go. Very nice. Those are our waltz clogs. So we're going to put them together with some stepping and clapping just to practice going back and forth from the right to the left. Just like that's what that means, if you didn't know. Okay, so stepping on your right foot, just like we did, we're going to step on the 1. 5, 6, 7, waltz clog, step, shuffle, ball change, and we're going to clap. Yeah, so it's going to look like this. 5, 6, 7, go. Step, shuffle, ball change, clap. And then your left foot's going to step as we go to the left side. Step, shuffle, ball change, clap. Right, left together. It goes like this. 5, 6, step on your right. Step, shuffle, ball change. Step, shuffle, ball change. Again, 5, 6, step on your right. Yeah? That balance will get you. Again, a little tiny bit faster. 5, 6, 7, go. Step, shuffle, ball change. Step, shuffle, ball change. From here, we're going to squish 2 waltz clogs together, right and left, and it's going to go. Step, shuffle, ball change. Step, shuffle, ball change. Again, together, it sounds like this. Step, shuffle, ball change. Step, shuffle, ball change. We're going to finish on our right foot with a stamp. Let that heel come down, toe and heel together, and then a clap. And that's how that ends. So 2 waltz clogs squished together in a stamp and a clap. Looks like this. 5, 6, 2 waltz clogs. Step, shuffle, ball change. Step, shuffle, ball change. Stamp, clap. So the whole thing. Step, shuffle, ball change, clap. Step, shuffle, ball change, clap. Step, shuffle, ball change. Step, shuffle, ball change. Yeah? Nice and slow, that whole little combo. Our little practice combo. shuffle, ball change, clap. 5, 6, step on your right. Step, shuffle, ball change. Left, shuffle, ball change. Now 2, step, shuffle, ball change. Stamp, clap. Yeah, a little faster. Ready? 5, 6, step, shuffle, ball change, go. 2. Yeah? Then guess what? Your left foot's free to start it over on your left foot. You've already done all the steps. We're just going to lead with the left side. So step, shuffle, ball change on that left side. Left foot starting. 5, 6, step, shuffle, ball change. Now clap. Right, shuffle, ball change. Now 2. Stamp, clap. Yeah, left side again, a little faster. 5, 6, step, shuffle, ball change. Now 2. I don't think that was faster. Let's go faster on the left. 5, 6, 7, go. Step, shuffle, ball change. Step, shuffle, ball change. 2. Yeah. Now we're going to do right and left together, slow and then a little faster. So after you do stamp, clap on the right, we're going to go right into a waltz clog on the left. Yes? Here we go. Step, shuffle, ball change, clap. 5, 6, step on your right. Step, shuffle, ball change. Left, shuffle, ball change. Now 2. Stamp, start it again. Step, shuffle, ball change. Step, shuffle, ball change. Yeah, very nice. So we always start going slower so that we can get kind of the mechanics of it and remember the steps and not get really flustered. But the slower you go, the harder it is to balance, which you'll know if you've been practicing a little bit. So let's try it a little faster. If you're not ready to go faster, rewind it, do the slow one again. But when you're ready, let's go a little bit faster. Waltz, clog, combo, right and left together. Step, shuffle, ball change, clap. 5, 6, 7, go. Left. Now 2. Stamp. Left. Right. Left. Right. All right, let's do it at that faster tempo. Starting on the right foot. Step, shuffle, ball change, clap. 5, 6, 7, go. Right. Left. Now 2. Stamp. Left. Right. 2. Very nice. That was your waltz clog. Go on and practice. Have fun. See you in the next tutorial.